Welcome to the FloData Transformation Design tutorial video. Here we will discuss some basic transformation design functions of FloData, including how to link steps, delete steps, and unlink steps. To begin, let's click on the plus sign above the words New Flow to create your flow. Input a name that you would like to call your flow as, a tag name that will help you identify what type of flow this is, and a short description detailing the processes of the flow. Now, let's open the flow. One of the basics of designing a flow is connecting two steps, one input step and one output step. Let's take a text file input and drag it onto the grid. The next step is to fill in the necessary information. A step name. We're going to add a file that has a list of our account information. We're going to get fields to show our fields from the account page. And in the preview, you can see our data. For a more in-depth explanation on how to fill in this information, please see the How to Reads from CSV Files training video. Next, we need to select the Write to Log step. Drag and drop this step to the right of the text file input step. This will serve as your output step. These two steps must be connected for the Write to Log step to process information from the text file input step. To join the two steps, click and hold the circle on the right side of the text file input. You should notice an arrow appears. Drag and drop this arrow to the Write to Log step. If the steps are successfully connected, you will see an arrow connecting from the text file input to the Write to Log step. After selecting Get Fields in the Write to Log step, we can see the Write to Log processing the fields from the text file input step. As you can see, there are 5 fields in the Write to Log. And when we go into Account Info, there are 5 fields here. Another fundamental of FloData is deleting steps and links. To delete a step, hover over the step and right-click on it. This will bring up a list of options. Select the Delete option to remove the step from the existing flow. As you can see, we've deleted our Write to Log step and it no longer is in our flow. Deleting a link is as simple as deleting a step. To delete a link, hover over either step and right-click. This will yield a list of options. Select the Unlink option. Selecting this will produce a confirmation pop-up box asking if you would like to proceed with unlinking. Select OK, and you will see that the steps are unlinked. It is important to note that unlinking one step will affect the other linked steps as information is processed and moved through the other steps. In the flow, one of the boxes highlighted red, meaning there are issues with the step that must now be fixed. These issues arise because when the steps are linked, the text file input sends field information to the Write to Log step. But when these links are unlinked, these fields are no longer sent to the log step. Alternatively, hover over the link between the two steps and see a red X symbol. Click this red X symbol to yield the same confirmation pop-up box asking if you want to continue unlinking. Select OK, and you will see the steps are now unlinked. Thanks for watching. For more information, send us your queries at info@flodata.io or call us at 209-755-6464.